Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to generate this kind of a beautiful AI images. Let's see how to do this one step by step. Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to generate the AI images for free. So there is a website which name is as Gemini AI. Okay. So when you go to here, click on it here. If you click on it, it asks you a Gmail address to sign in. So here you can sign in of this Google Gemini via your Gmail account, username and password. After that, after successfully login, you can have a nice user interface look like this. After that, what you are going to do here is you have to ask the questions. So how you can ask the question is here you can simply go to ChatGPT. You have to open the ChatGPT. Okay, so here don't write your story and generate the photo here. Okay, straight away. So here you have to go to the ChatGPT and here now I go to the ChatGPT over here. Now I need here I am going to create the prompt. So I need I need to generate the prompt. You to generate the prompt. Here's the story. A girl sit under the tree and reading the book at the forest. Okay, this is a story, so you have to click it here. This is a prompt. A young girl sits peacefully under the larch. This is a prompt is generated. Copy this. Going here. I need you to generate the AI image for this prompt. This prompt you have to explain clearly. You have to put like this. Now here click it, submit. It takes some time to generate it. You have to wait. Okay, here generate the images with nano banana. Your images here. So for story here, this is a girl. Okay, so here I need that this one I simply I'm going to change it this one. For that you can click change, not AI image. So I write Indian girl. I need to generate the Indian girl. I need to generate the image. Indian young girl sits peacefully. Okay, click on it. Okay, so what is the prompt you are given based on the images is generated here. This is Indian girl. Here this is simple beautiful photo. You can see this is high quality here. So high quality beautiful photo has been generated using the nano banana. Okay, this is the purpose we have generated the photo. So they have to generate this photo. We have a here when you save this photo, here I name it. Here, here's a photo. You will be able to save on the machines. Okay, whatever photo you can generate by Gemini look like this way. Okay, so I hope you guys understood the things well. This is how you will be able to generate the AI images via the prompt. Okay, thank you for watching.